In the last class, we have completed chapter number 6. We were doing end of unit questions. Today, we are starting with a new chapter, chapter number 7, that is fractions. Everybody is with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now we'll just try to know a little of the history of maths. Okay. How did this word come? What does this mean? What was heliographic? And how did people use it earlier? Then what happened and how did it go on? The word fraction actually came from a Latin word, which is fractio, which means breaking into pieces. Okay. This makes sense as when you break up something into smaller parts, you get fractions of it. Yes or no? Or when you break your bone, you get a fracture. Yes or no? So you know it is fracture, fractio means breaking into pieces. From as early as 18,000 BC, 1800 BC, the Egyptians were writing fractions. But the script that they used, okay, is known as the hieroglyphic script. Okay, because they did not write, they actually used pictures instead of writing. Pictographic, you can say. Okay, they used pictures called as heliographs to write words and numbers. And how they used to write the numbers, they have just tried to show you a little here. Can you see one was written like just one standing line and then two standing line? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Advait, we'll wait till the end of the class. 1, 2, 3, you can see standing line. Then you can see 10 is written like a inverted U. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Mohammed, you hate fractions, but I think by the end of this chapter, you will start loving fractions because we will do it in such a way that you will start liking it. Okay, Mohammed?
Yes.
And you hate things that you don't know. Okay. But once you start knowing it and you're able to do it, you'll start loving it. You can see how they wrote 1000.
This is the easiest part in the whole math.
Yes, actually. But then anyways, he will also know it. Then what did they start doing? Egyptians wrote all their fractions with a numerator. Numerator means the number at the top. I'm very sure you know that much at least. Numerator is upar wala number, denominator is niche
And
wala
denominator
number. Yes, the number below. Okay.
Yes.
To show they were writing a fraction, they drew a mouth picture, which meant part about the number. Like if they wanted to show 1/5, they made 5 down and then this picture they made, the mouth picture. If they had to write 1/100, then they made this picture. See, we are not supposed to learn all these pictures. We're not supposed to learn the hieroglyphic script. We are going to learn what fractions are, but we're just giving you an idea about how did the people in that time also learn fractions or wrote down fractions, even when the numbers were not invented. Okay. Can you use hieroglyphic for writing the shades? No, I will not ask you to do this. We will go ahead and I will teach you how to write it the other way. Okay. Now we are doing 7.1. Can you see 7.1 beta? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you
Yes.
can see 3 rectangles, and then in those 3 rectangles you can see parts. Cut it in 2. Yes or no? The first rectangle, you can see that it is, divided into 4 equal parts. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. And these 4 equal parts See this 1, 2, 3, and 4. And out of these 4 equal parts, one part is shaded. Can you see it is colored pink? If I had to denote this as a fraction, because one part is shaded, I will write 1 on the top, and in the bottom, I will write the total number of parts that a rectangle is divided into. Is it very clear? Very difficult to understand what I speak?
No, this is easy. Like when you
Yes,
multiply and
this is easy
then I
because
get.
this is what we have already done when we were small, when for the first time we came to know what is half, what is 1/4. Yes or no? So we are only doing a little
Yes.
revision. Now looking at the second rectangle, the second rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts, and out of these 8, 2 have been shaded. So I will represent it in a fraction like 2/8. Correct? The number on the top of the fraction is called the numerator, and the number at the bottom is called the denominator. I'm very sure we are aware of this also. Yes or no? Yes?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has any doubt till here? Please ask me. Anything that you're not understanding till now? Look at the
No, ma'am.
third rectangle. The third rectangle has been divided into 16 equal parts, and out of which 4 are colored. So if I had to represent this as a fraction, I will write 4/16. Am I right? Yes. Now we are learning a little more advanced. Okay. Now we will learn what is a equivalent fraction. Do you understand equivalent fraction?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Equivalent fractions are the fractions which will, when reduced, when simplified further, become the same. Now I will show it to you how. Now, for example, what have they given us? 1/4. Am I right? The next fraction that they are talking about is 2/8. Am I right?
Yes.
And the third fraction that they are talking about is 4/16. Now, why do you call these fractions to be equivalent fractions? The reason is
Can I?
that
Because if we
yes,
multiply them by 2, they are all
they will
alike.
become same.
They will
How?
become same.
Yeah, they will become same. Either you multiply them, or you cut them, or you divide them, they
Or
become the
divide.
same. Yeah, they become the same. Like for example, if I have to reduce it, I'm not multiplying it, I'm reducing it. Okay, now 1/4, can it be further reduced? 1/4, can it be further
No.
reduced? No, it is in its lowest term. Yes or no? Yes, when you further cannot reduce it, you will call it to be in its lowest term. Do you remember? Will you remember this? Yes?
Yes.
If you further cannot divide it, or if you further cannot reduce it, you will call it to be in the simplest form or the lowest term. Okay, now look at the second one, this part here. Okay, 2/8. Can I further reduce it?
Yes.
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 Yes, because both the numbers come in 2 times table. Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Am I right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
if I divide it, okay, then definitely I'll be able to put it in its lowest form.
Divide by 2.
Divide
Or
by
else
2.
divide it.
Yeah, if I divide by 2, I get 1 on the top and I get 4 in the bottom. That means my numerator and my denominator. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
So 4 will become 2. 8
So
will become.
can you see that the first fraction that I have, okay, and the second one, when I reduced it, Do you think it became the same?
Yes.
At least they
Yes.
look the same. I don't know if they feel the same.
Yes.
They are same, no? 1/4
They
and
are
1/4. Don't you think it is same?
At least they look the same. I don't know if they feel the same.
Oh God.
Oh,
We were missing your PJs.
I was going to make one more bad joke, but I stopped.
Thank you,
Was
Advait. We
not
are
going
very
to say that
grateful.
because it was pretty
We are
bad.
very grateful that you did not make that joke. Okay. Now look
It
at
was
the third
related to
fraction.
Mohammed.
4/16. Can we reduce this?
yes. 4 will
Yes.
become 2, 16
Both?
will become 8.
Yeah,
1/4.
exactly. Both go in 4 times table. So if I do 4 ones are 4 and I do 4 fours are 16, then I get again 1/4. Am I right?
Yes.
That means when I can reduce them and they become same, I call them equivalent fractions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understood this much? Now you can see that your textbook is also using a word called as cancelling, and you saw me doing this cancelling. Did you see this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we
Yes.
are cancelling, but we are cancelling it with the same table. You have to remember that I can't cancel with different tables. The numerator, the denominator should go in the same table. Then only I can cancel it. Now 1 and 4, they will not go in the same table, no? It will go in ones are table only. 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4. Yes or no? So I cannot further reduce it. That is why I left it as it is. Have you understood this part? Everybody?
Yes.
Ma'am, and if one goes and if the second one doesn't go, then you can't use it.
Then
right?
you can't cut. You can't cancel.
Yes.
Then
Like
you will
I
keep it.
can do it for 4.
Yes.
The below number, the denominator. I
Yes.
can do it too, but it's not allowed because
Yeah, exactly. So you're going to keep it as it is. That means if both of them don't go in the same table, or if both of them do not have a common factor, then we say that they are in their simplest form, or we say they are in their lowest term. That means you cannot further divide it, or you cannot further cut it. Is it very clear till here?
okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now directly I'm going to take you to the worksheet. You can write in your book. The name of the chapter is fractions. We are doing exercise 7.1. Please write that much down.
Done.
Okay, that's nice. Can we do the first question?
Yes.
Yeah. Now just look at
What
this
is the
part.
name of the chapter?
Fractions.
Okay.
Now look at the first question. 7.1, 1a. 4 and 10. 4 and 10 are the fractions, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Now if I cut both or divide by 2 times table, what do I get? 2. 2
Yes,
twos
ma'am.
are
4.
4. So I
2
will get,
upon 5.
yes, I will get a 2 here. And 2 5s are 10. So I write 5 here. So you see that when I'm actually cutting, what am I doing? I'm dividing it with 2. Am I right? 4 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2. What am I going to get? 2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I write a 2 here. Do you get it? Now look
Yeah.
at the other one. 9 divided by 3. What do you think I will get?
3
Three.
upon 4.
3. And 12 divided by 3, I will get
4.
4. Okay. Now again, I am repeating because this dividing thing will not go for a long time. What you will have to do is the cutting part. Am I right? I hope you are understanding. Okay. So 3, you should learn doing this. Both are going in 3 times table. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. You should be able to do this part. Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what divided by 4 will give you 3? Can I say 12?
Yes.
Because 3 4s are 12. Okay. And 8 divided by 4, what will I get?
4.
2.
Oh, sorry. 2.
2. Correct? So now if I have to check my answer, I see 8 and 12 both going 4 times table. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Therefore, I have got 2 upon 3 as the answer. Are you all understanding what I'm doing, bacha log?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who's not understood, please ask me. Mohammed, are you understanding beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, here they are asking us to multiply, not divide, but multiply. What is 1 2s are?
2.
2
2. And 3 2s are?
6.
0 6.
6. Now 2 upon 6. Can I say 2 upon 6 is in its lowest term or simplest form?
No.
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 No. Because I can further reduce it to what? 2 upon
Because
6.
multiply. It will keep
1
on
upon
increasing.
3.
Exactly. 1 upon 3. The lowest form will be 1 upon 3. Do you get me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 3 5s are. What is 3 5s are? 15.
15.
Just give me a moment. Huh?
Four Pfizer.
Yeah, just a moment, beta. Beta, your meeting ID has changed again or what?
No. Yeah, actually. Yeah.
Yes, the name changed now.
Christina ma'am changed it. Okay.
When did this happen? Long back, no?
Mm,
No, ma'am, a few days back
No.
only.
The ID changes again.
on 2nd of February.
What does it become? Can anybody give me the meeting ID because my screen has got blanked out? Can you give me the number?
986
1 minute. 986
0371
0371. Okay.
1510.
1510. And what is the passcode?
Pass 123.
Okay. Pass 1 2 3.
Recording in progress.
Okay, now can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Actually, I have joined
Yes.
from another device because my laptop was blinking. Okay, so 3 5s will be 15 and 20 divided by 5 will be 4. Am I right? Anybody who
You
can
missed that.
anecdote on this?
Yes, wait.
Who can anecdote on this?
Ma'am, it's too big. One second.
Okay, Mohammed, you're doing it.
Leave it to the pros, Muhammad. You shouldn't try it.
Advait, you do it otherwise.
Ma'am, I did it.
Yeah, okay. Advait, do the other one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
Now we'll move to the
perfect.
next sum. Yeah. The next sum is 4 upon 7.
21.
Are you all listening to me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Now see what they have given 4 upon 7. And then on the top they have given multiplied and a question mark. Can you see that question mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have to understand one thing, that when you are going to multiply the denominator with something, you will have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. So if they have given
three
us
will
7
only come.
multiplied
Or
by
else it
3.
won't be equivalent.
Exactly. Exactly. So you will have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. So just Advait anecdote and write 3 there. Multiplied by question mark.
Okay.
Baju mein write 3. Not here, beta. Not here, Mohammed.
That would be 21 as well.
Yes. Yes. So now it is 4 3s are 12.
Muhammad put the 3. I didn't.
Mama, Shiza did
No,
it.
Shiza did this. This
No,
3 has
the
been put
other
by
one.
Shiza. Yeah, the other one I know. 7 3s is going to be
Ayan said I did. So that's why I was telling them.
okay. 7 3s is going to be
21.
21.
21.
Yes. This is how it is going to be. Why did you rub it?
What's
Mohammed?
9 plus 10? 21.
Okay. Have you understood how to do this?
Yes.
Now look
Yeah.
at the question, second question. Now what are we supposed to do? They've asked us to put it in the simplest form. Tell me simplest form and lowest term. Are these two words different?
No.
No,
No,
that means
actually.
question number 2 and question number 3 is the same. I hope you understand. Okay.
Okay.
So what are we supposed to do in both the cases? We are supposed to reduce it to the lowest so that we won't
Divide it.
Yeah. So like for example, okay, if I have to do the first question 2a, write each fraction in the simplest form, I can do 2 1s and I can do 2 5s. Can you see this?
Yes, yes.
So now
Yes.
this has been reduced to the lowest. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the same thing will be done for question 2. Same thing will be done for question 3. Okay. Now write each fraction in the simplest form and write it in the lowest term is the same. Now look at the B part, 2b. Who will tell me what is the simplest form for 15 upon 25?
5 upon
Ma'am,
5.
5.
3
It
upon
is-
5.
Yes.
It's 3 upon
Yes,
5.
3 upon 5. Sorry.
3 upon 5. Because both will go into 5 times table and 5 3s will be 15 and 5 5s will be 25. Correct? Now who will tell me 2c?
2 upon 3.
Yes, because both go in 3 times table, 3 2s and 3 3s. Will you be able to do the other sums for homework? 2 and 3?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Actually, I'll just finish it in class, so I don't have any homework.
Pardon?
I'll finish it in the class, so I won't have any homework.
Okay,
only.
you can do if you are quick enough. Yes, you can do.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 21 and 14 coming with table.
7 times table.
It's 17. 7 times.
7 times table. So 2 upon 3 it will be. Mohammed, are you understanding how to do?
Yes.
Now, can I go to the fourth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the fourth question. Okay. Now they want us to copy and complete the equivalent fraction in this spider diagram. Okay. They have given us what they actually want. Okay. They want us to make all the fractions equivalent to 2 upon 3. Are you getting it? Now 2 upon 3 by itself is in its lowest term. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We cannot put it in the further lowest term, right? I will understand.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
instead of dividing, what are we going to do? Multiply.
Yes.
Now 2 multiplied by what will give me 20? 2 tens are.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will have to do 3 tens are to get the number below 20,
30.
which is going to be 30. Do you understand what I'm doing? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Who has not understood?
Mohammed.
Me.
Okay, Mohammed. See, what they have given us is 2 upon 3 in the center. Can you see that better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to make all the fractions equivalent. Okay. So you can see this. We have to make it equivalent to 2 upon 3. Now 2 upon 3 by itself is in its lowest term. Correct? You can't further reduce it. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So what we will do is, we will have to multiply. Now 2 multiplied by what will give me 20?
10.
10. So similarly, I will have to multiply 3 also with 10 to get the number that is in the bottom. Yes, Mohammed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Similarly, look at this part here. 8. Okay. 2, how many is 8?
4 the
4.
4. So 3 4s are. What is 3 4s?
12.
So
12.
we will get 12.
And we
here.
can do this as a homework also.
Yes, I know that, but I'm just trying to explain to the ones who don't understand and who are finding it difficult. Did you get it, Mohammed? Yes, Mohammed? Others, anybody has doubt?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now look at this part here. Okay. 3, how many is going to be 15?
5, sir.
5.
5.
So 2 5s will be 10.
10.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, you are also getting it, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Now 3 3s is 9. Correct? So 2 3s will be 6. Is it very clearly understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt? So I think you can do this 4A and B also as homework.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Mohammed, you're getting it right.
Ma'am, only one is only remaining in A.
So
You
7,
already gave the answer.
yeah. So 7.1, 2, 3, and 4 you are going to complete as your homework. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do is end the class now.
No, ma'am will do one thing.
Now we
We'll
will
end
do
the
one thing.
class.
We will end our class.